Dodge and Jeep harmonic balancers on the Hemi are completely different. Who knew? I start to tear down the junkyard Hemi and spend hours trying to remove the harmonic balancer from a Dodge engine. Where is my torch at? Gotta unload it first. The tie-down strap broke, so we just took the broken spots, put a couple knots in it, and yeah, good to go. Yeah, that strap sounds happy. All right, bolt the engine stand thing on the back of the engine thing. The torch these. Now they don't want to come off. I know this timing chain cover's got to come off. Some sensors on here, motor mounts, all this extra brackets, all this stuff I don't really need. I think those were different for the Durangos and for the Grand Cherokees, so I'm gonna strip all that off. I think it'd be easier if I flip this over. Oop, there is some goo in there. Flip this thing over, the holes never want to line up again. Start stripping the stuff off of here. I don't want to watch that, that's boring. I'm using a standard 3-prong puller. I think I got this from O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's a bigger one. It was hard to get in. You can see the setup I have. I just have the jaws bolted directly to the centerpiece. Normally there's some plates that go in there that help it pivot, but when I use those it would keep popping off. So this is what I found worked the best, and it's still not real easy to use. There are several different tools you can buy to help you with this. A lot of them say they're specifically for this, but I know I've got friends that have had difficulties even with the tools that are specifically designed to this. So I am confident that if you have a 3-prong puller, you can figure out how to get this harmonic balancer off. But again, it's not easy. This took me about 2 hours to figure this out, and I finally did get it off. So just be patient, use what you have, and I'm sure you can get it figured out and get the balancer off. Okay, let's fast forward through here. Yeah, this is getting embarrassing now. Can we do a time lapse and hurry up, because this is taking a while. The jaws don't want to clamp on there. I don't know. This is not going too good. At this point I have it halfway off, but I'm still ready to grab my torch and finish the job, because this was not an easy task. You can see here the Dodge and Jeep harmonic balancers from the Hemis. There is definitely a difference. I pulled 2 Jeep harmonic balancers off with that same puller. Had no issues. They came right off easy. They had a good place to grab. The Jeep one is the one on the right. It's a lot shallower. The one on the left is the Dodge one, and I just had a hard time. I think everybody struggles with trying to find some place to grab it. I ended up putting it on the flat spots on the inside. Some of these have holes in them. I think oval holes where you can grab them from the outside too, but you just kind of got to use what you got and figure it out. I don't know if there's any real easy way to get these off. If this video makes you feel better about your own Hemi harmonic balancer removal, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We've definitely got a lot more Hemi content on my channel. I stripped this engine down. It's time to clean up. I will leave some links to some other videos on how to remove a Hemi harmonic balancer on the end screen there. If you have any tips, any tricks, any tools you recommend, leave them in the comments so we can share it with everybody. Hopefully this video can go out and help a lot of people out there. I will see you in the next video.